Hello, how are you? Welcome to my English channel. If you would like to learn English, then watch this video. Today it is March, so it is officially spring in Ireland. So it's a lovely spring day. So we are going to go for a spring walk. So it's very nice. The sky, look at that. The sky is blue. The trees are green, but it is still very cold. It was -1 degrees this morning, so I still need to wear my hat, my scarf and my coat, but it is definitely, the weather is getting better. There is more sun in the sky. It's still raining, but there's less rain. So let's go for a spring walk. Behind me we have a pond. So that is a pond. A pond is a small bit of water that fish can live in. It's just the start of spring, so the trees are still bare. There are no leaves on most of the trees. The trees behind, so these trees, let me see. These trees here are called evergreen trees, so they don't lose their leaves, they stay green all year round. But these are normal trees and they're still bare, so the plants have not started to bud yet. There are a few flowers starting to bud, so I'll show you those. Because the weather has been quite wet, the ground is very muddy, so there's a lot of mud. So this is whenever it rains on grassy areas, it becomes very muddy, so your shoes get quite dirty. Look at that, the mud is very thick there, so your shoes do get quite dirty in springtime here when it's raining but you want to go for a walk. So I'll step over the mud, step on some stones. Over here behind us we have, this is called a derelict house. A derelict house is a house that nobody lives in. It's old. And in Ireland we have a lot of derelict houses. So many derelict houses. And this is because in 1800s, during the famine, 1 million Irish people emigrated outside of Ireland, so to America, Australia, etc. And 1 million people died from the famine. So Ireland's population never recovered from the famine. So before the famine we had about 8 million population, and now we have about 5 million population. So our population went down and it has not recovered. So that means there are hundreds of derelict houses around Ireland from the famine, from the 1800s, houses that nobody lives in. Look, there's another derelict house. And the government at the moment is actually giving a grant to people to buy these derelict houses and to make them into homes. So the Irish government is trying to resurrect all the derelict houses. I'm so excited that spring is finally here because the days in Ireland are getting longer. So in winter our days are very short. It gets bright at about 9 o'clock in the morning, 9 a.m. and gets dark again at about 3:30 or 4. So we only get about 6 or 7 hours of sunlight in winter, and then it's just pitch black. It's dark after 4:30, 4 o'clock. So now that it's March and it's spring, the days are getting longer and it gets bright about 7:30 in the morning and gets dark again at about 6 or 6:30. So we now have about 11 hours of sunlight, nearly 12 hours of sunlight. I love when the days get longer because you can go for walks outside. It does get very depressing when you're inside all evening from 4 o'clock and it's dark and you can't go outside and it's wet. So I love springtime as the days are longer. Let me know, what daylight hours do you have? How many hours of sunshine do you have? Now the best thing about having short days in winter is that we get long days in summer. So in summertime gets bright at about 5 in the morning and doesn't get dark until 11 p.m. at night. So it's only dark for about 6 hours of the day. So we get about 18 hours of daylight. So I love summertime. And in Ireland we call that a long stretch in the evenings. A long stretch because it doesn't get dark until 11. So we call that a long stretch in the evenings. I love sunny days. I love the sun. But the only bad thing about summer and the sun in Ireland is we get a lot of midges. So these little flies, I don't know if you can see them. They're small little bugs that come out when it's sunny and dry. And they're like itchy. They bite you, so they're called midges. They're not dangerous or anything. They're just annoying. So that's my least favourite thing. We also get flies. And I hate flies. They're so annoying, but they only come out in summer. So they're my least favourite thing about summertime, are all the flies and the bugs. But that's one good thing about Ireland, is in the winter time we have no insects or no creatures annoying us because it's too cold for all the insects to come out. It really is so beautiful when the sun comes out and there are no clouds in the sky. This is very rare here, and it just boosts the mood. It boosts the endorphins. Get a little bit of vitamin D. Don't get vitamin D here too often, so it really is a mood booster. It's so beautiful. Even though it is cold, it's about 0 degrees now, but I love it. I love the sun. I love the contrast between the blue and the green. Is such bright colours. So yeah, let me know in the comments what the weather is like with you in your country and how long the days are, how much sunlight you are getting. I'm going to continue on my walk now. Thank you so much for coming on a nature walk with me. I hope you learned a few English words, and I'll see you later. Bye.